Hey friends, if you wish to fix ene.sys driver error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to turn off memory integrity. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the device security tab on the list on the left hand side. Select core isolation details and make sure that memory integrity is off. Now here's the thing, memory integrity is off in general. Okay, this is the default setting. You don't need to turn it off unless it was turned on. And if it is off, then you do not need to worry about it in general as far as real-time protection is on your computer. The next solution is to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to reset Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC. Select remove everything and then finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.